So you can see the locals trying to pour water on a burning car over here just to bring the situation under control. So people are complaining why so it's an explosion that has happened over here. A fire tanker has exploded and opened, causing the fire to happen over here. The fire service are far away, quite a distance away, and I'm making sure that they put the situation under control. But the locals are not too happy with the response of the fire personnel here, and they are trying to call the Ghana police. So the locals are trying to fight the fire here. The locals are trying to fight the fire here. They are bringing. So you can see the locals throwing pure water. They are throwing pure water, sachet of water onto the burning car over here. They are trying their maximum best in order to fight the fire. They are not too happy with the response of the Ghana Fire Service and the Ghana Police Service. They have backed far away from a distance, but the locals are here trying to bring the situation under control, and they are throwing water into the burning flames over here. Even though the Ghana Army are also here, the fire service personnel are trying to move the individuals or the citizens away from the inferno. But the people have refused to heed to their call, and they are throwing water into the burning flames over here in order to bring the situation under control. As of now, I can see a fuel tanker burning, and it can explode from now. And it is a dicey situation here, I must say. So you can see people throwing. So one of the tankers have exploded and opened widely. It has exploded and opened widely. People have been trapped in the fire, but I cannot confirm the number of people that have been trapped in this area. It is worsening day in, it is worsening by the minute, and the situation is getting worsened by the day. So as you can see, the fire tenders are in the distance. As of now, we cannot confirm what actually they are doing, but it looks the case they are mapping up strategies in order to fight the fire. So the situation is getting worse and worse by the day, and we can see the fire service in the distance mapping up strategies in order to fight the fire. So I can see about 10 cars being burned. So now the fire service is now opening their water onto the place in order to bring the situation under control.